Once upon a time, not so long ago, our wonderful planet Earth had a special day just for her. It's called Earth Day, a time to celebrate all the amazing things our world gives us: fresh air, sparkling water, and beautiful places to play. But sometimes, our lovely Earth needs a little help. As Lily walked through her favorite park, she noticed something that made her feel a bit sad.
Oh dear, what's all this? A plastic bottle and a wrapper? This isn't where these belong.
Lily knew she couldn't just leave it. She found her friend Tom, who was also looking a little glum about the mess. Together, they decided to be Earth's helpers for the day.
We can make a difference, Lily. My teacher taught us about recycling. We can put the plastic in one bag and paper in another.
That's a super idea, Tom. Every little bit helps our planet feel better.
With a skip in their step and a smile on their faces, Lily and Tom began their big cleanup adventure. They carefully picked up each piece of litter, imagining the birds and squirrels thanking them. And just like that, with a little teamwork and a lot of care, the park was sparkling clean. The birds chirped even louder, and the flowers seemed to bloom a little brighter.
Wow, look how beautiful it is now. It feels so good to help.
It sure does. And we don't just have to help on Earth Day. We can keep our planet clean every day.
Lily and Tom learned that taking care of Earth isn't just a job for grown-ups. It's something everyone can do, every single day. Happy Earth Day, everyone, and let's all be kind to our wonderful home.